in this blue. That's where we live, okay? We are going to talk about the rainforest in Central America, in South America. There's rainforest in Africa. And there's rainforest in Asia. And in Indonesia, where Miss Cindy's from. And in Australia a little bit, okay?
Australia has 72 dangerous animals.
Where we live? Look,
No,
it goes this way. It's actually, we live on the blue, the United States. That's right. Do you remember what's above us?
The orange.
The orange. Say Canada.
Canada.
What's on Everett?
Canada.
Please stay on your spot. What's this right here underneath us? Say Mexico.
Mexico.
Can you find the equator?
Equator line.
The equator. Look, remember this line right here goes all the way around the earth. The equator. We are making a picture of the rainforest.
Look, there's a little bitty froggy.
Oh, wow.
Gross.
That'd be messy. We are painting a rainforest today. Everett was smart. He drew his out ahead of time.
Yeah, because I learned that in art class at co-op.
That is good. I think your art teacher would be proud of you.
No. One plus one is zero.
Wait, no. 0 plus 1 is...
1.
That's how you say it. All right, Elin, read yours.
0 plus 0 is 0.
Good job. Everett, read your first one on your stack.
9 plus 6.
9.
9 minus 6 equals 3.
Very good. Okay, Evangeline, back to you.
5 minus 1 is
No, it's not. Yours are adding. They're plus. Say 5
5
plus
1 is 6.
5 plus 1 is 6. Go, Elin.
5 plus 0 is 5.
Good reading. All right, Everett, your
6
turn.
plus 10 minus 6 equals 4.
Good job. Back to you, Evangeline.
1 plus 1 is 2. Let me do this for now.
Hurry.
7. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4.
Elin, is this how you're doing school today? Yeah, why?
I'm sick.
She's just not feeling good, so she's laying down on a sleeping bag in here in the schoolroom. That's how we're spending Tuesday.
Hello, guys.
This little one is a silly Willy, and he is working. Let's show your mouth. What are you doing with your mouth?
No one sees. Joy is laying down there in a sleeping bag because Joy is sick.
Apparently, Joy is sick, so she had to come sleep by Everett. And Hope's over here. She's so sick she can't even lay straight.
And Zombie's sick.
And Blondie's sick. Evangeline's over here about to show me what she did in her handwriting book. Everett's supposed to be working on math. You're doing very well. This is Everett's rainforest. So far, he has his emergent layer up here, and this is his canopy.
And I drew it in pencil, just like my art class at co-op.
Yeah, he drew it in pencil first. Evangeline's art is abstract art. Let me see your glasses, Evangeline.
Those aren't real. Those aren't real, guys.
And then Elon's over here.
Mommy, I need you to give me more paint.
Okay, I will. This is my snuggly boo today, huh, Elon? Not feeling very good. She said, Mommy, can you snuggle? That's what she says, huh? Yeah. Does something hurt on you?
I had and like that in my left.
Her head and her back and her leg. Poor baby. She's just taking it easy today, huh? Whoa.
Mommy, you want my soup? See that?
I see.
See that?
Yeah. Here we are again, snuggling, huh? It is Tuesday after lunch. We have the rest of our homeschool days, spelling, reading, phonics to do. Daddy's at work.
The Prince Charming has day offs.
The Prince Charming has day off. That's good.
Sometimes he has 4 day offs.
Yeah. Well, we don't have a day off, but this one does because she's not feeling good, so she just kind of keeps wanting to be snuggly. She says, snuggle me. Huh.
But when you don't know me and she's my brother and sister, I just snuggle my babies.
Yeah.
So they can't have snuggles on me.
Yeah. Everett and Evangeline are cleaning up the toys in the backyard.
You're
It was a mess.
snuggling me and I'm snuggling my babies.
That's right. All right, this is the sickness cam coming to you from a sleeping bag, huh? This is Evangeline not feeling good today. This is Wednesday, so she's not feeling good. We ended up watching a movie this morning, which is very rare for us, but no one felt like moving, so we watched a movie, and now I'm about to clean out my closet. Everett and Elon are playing in the living room, and in a little while I'll get him to do about his math, phonics, spelling, and reading, and then we will be done with school. And I'm probably going to do some read-alouds with them about the rainforest that we've been studying this week. So that is on our plans for this week. Hopefully this one will feel better fast like Elin did. She's feeling better now. Now Evangeline's turned to not feel good, huh? Oh well, that's what's going on here. Alright, we are working on math. So we're talking about, I don't know if you call these 3D shapes or what, but we have a cube, a sphere, a cylinder, and I don't really have a cone that I can think of besides like an ice cream cone. Anything else that's shaped like that? Maybe a funnel, but I don't have a funnel that's shaped that way. What are you starting off the day as?
Yeah, I'm going to go down with
You're going outside to play with army men, right?
This one is from when my daddy was a kid.
Yeah.
And I have 3 more, but I think they're stuck in the bucket. And I don't know where they're buried under probably the army men.
Yeah. You're not feeling good? Oh, poor baby. That's what Evangeline's doing this morning, starting off our day. Just not feeling good. She's still a little warm. It kind of goes up and down. She just hasn't felt like doing much. The other 2 are out here making bird noises. I have no idea what sound that was, but they're just out there having a good time. It's a kind of a stormy looking morning. I am making homemade pancakes for breakfast, and then we'll get started with our school day. Yesterday, Elin and Evangeline took the day off, and Everett, I kind of pushed him through his core subjects, and we read about the rainforest, watched some videos about the rainforest. So that's kind of what we've been doing this week, just with little ones sick here and there, and just not really feeling like doing much. I've just given them time just to chill out, and Everett has been keeping up with his. I'm trying not to skip days just for the sake of skipping them unless I've planned to, and I didn't plan to skip days this week, but you know, when you're sick, you got to do what you got to do. So we're working on handwriting this morning. Elan's working on J's. She's making squares on the little J's and circles on the capital J's. Everett is working on, this is kind of like his handwriting review page. So he's going to write these 2 sentences, and then we're going to answer these questions about how he made his letters, and he's going to practice the ones he did well he's going to write, and the ones he needs practice he's going to write. Okay, we're on to math. And we just made a math rainbow. Bye. Where are you going? Who? We have Everett is working on doing the bottom part of his math. He's doing equal or not equal.
With E in here, she said.
Okay, show me your rainbow. What did we make?
Numbers.
What did it say? 1 plus what?
9 is 1.
1 plus 9 equals?
10. 1 plus 9 is equals 10.
And then what is this one?
10 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. 4 plus 10. 4 plus 5 is 10.
Good job. We're just getting familiar with the concept of adding. And I saw this little rainbow idea and thought it was cute.
Hey guys, Evelyn said she had hair. Superman's hair.
And poor Evangeline's over there just sick and sleeping right now. Get busy, Bella. All right.
Guys, I'm chopping up some ice I made, frozen about 2 or 3 days, and now I'm gonna pack it. I've already done some damage.
Yeah. And why are you doing this?
Just to see if it has any water in it. And in about 3 or 4 hours, it will be melted, and I can take the cup out, it out. But I've already got it. Ready? My turn. Your turn. My turn. Your turn. Ready? And then guess what you do? You turn it around. Yeah.
What you doing?
Coloring.
What are you coloring? What is this?
Rainforest.
What?
Yeah.
You remember what layer this is? The canopy. Remember what's at the top?
And this is upside down.
Yeah.
And said.
Mm-hmm.
Said
What does it say?
is this is net. This is Ted.
Mm-hmm.
We do this. Fred, Led, Ned, Red, Ted, Red.
Good job, Eden. Do the story. Do it. Read the title.
Ed and Ted.
Good.
The is net. Net.
Okay, does that first word say the?
Mommy.
The.
Is Ned.
The sun rose high above the steamy jungle. A mother python was sending her hatchlings out into the forest the way all mother pythons do. Grow up big and green.
Where's the mother snake?
I don't know. Maybe that's her way back there. Or maybe that's the mother and that's the babies going out.
That's the baby.
Okay. Grow up big and green as the tree's leaves, she called to her little yellow babies as they happily scattered among the trees. But Verity dawdled. What does that mean?
That's Verity.
What does it mean he dawdled?
That's Verity. That's Verity.
Yeah.
That's
Is that Verity? Oh, look at him rope that bull, that calf, whatever you call it. Yeah. All right. The bucking horse. Whoa! Oh no, he got bucked off. I see. Are you the clown in the rodeo? Are you the clown?
Yeah. I want to get.
Who are you? Are you the cowgirl?
Yes.
Elin on the bucking horse. Wow, you stayed on. Good job. Oh, look at him. Look at him hold on to that horse. Whoa. Your name?
Yeah, I wrote my name listening on one night in second grade.
Yeah, what did you draw?
That is always cut off right there.
What did you draw?
Jesus.
What's he doing?
On the cross.
And what does that show us?
He now says.
Huh?
Yeah, and I forgot to wrong that.
Wait, what did we learn today about obedience?
Obedience shows love.
Obedience shows love, that's right.
I don't need to sit right there.
What are y'all playing?
I still want to sit right there.
I understand. We're doing center time. The girls are through with their handwriting and preschool workbooks. They're playing computer. Everett is working. He's almost all the way through his math test this morning. This is his math
That was
test.
really fast.
Yeah, he's boogieing through it. So he's taking a break and then he's going to do the subtraction and be done with that. It's you. Yeah. Daddy's off today, so we are.
Marks I made when I was going sideways.
Did I see what?
Those black marks.
Oh, yeah.
That was pretty fun. I'm gonna meet up with the rest of them.
This is recess with Daddy. We get to go off the driveway. Alright, we have the girls are doing some math. They're doing their carnival math where they get the yellow popcorn and the white popcorn. They put it all in the middle and then they divide it between the line and the seal. And then they're going to write what
Look
they
what
have.
I did.
Oh, I see. How do we write 10? Do you remember?
10.
No, what?
I said I'm going to poke that everything.
What did you figure out about 6, Evangeline?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 plus.
2 is
Good job. What did you figure out about 9, Elin?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3.
3 plus. Oh, just do the 3. All right, Bob, let's get our test on the way. All right, it is 12:30 and we are boogieing through school. The girls are doing file folder games. Everett is at the end of his spelling test.
Yeah.
And he's correcting some that he didn't do correctly. He's trying to think of what the answer is. And if he can spell it right, he gets half a point for those that he corrects. So right now we're at about an 80%. Let's see. It's torn. It's all right. I can tape it back. No big deal.
80% error.
You're making a robot
Yeah, forever. See.
for Everett to see.
Because I don't wearing the tape. So he's gonna be scared. I'm not. I'm never gonna be scared of yours. Yeah, because besides, you're mad.
Everett is making a rainforest snake, huh, Bub?
Mm-hmm.
It is about 1 o'clock. We just finished Everett's spelling test, which was like torture, huh, Bub?
Yeah, and I missed 2 words. Yeah, and I corrected them.
And we're about to go get some lunch and then finish up our reading.
I'm making a better.
A rainforest church. Well, that is very colorful and pretty.
Because I'm a superhero. I block everyone's with my pants. But I just can't open my jacket.
Yeah.